talking about calorie counting today. Huge topic. Why don't you start us off?
Doesn't work.
Get us rolling. Okay.
Calorie counting doesn't work.
No.
Doesn't work. It doesn't work. It's ridiculous to think calorie counting is helpful because calories aren't created equally. So if you have a banana, 100 calories, then you have 100 calories of chips, for example. Because remember one time we were at a trade show, and they had this sale on these type of popcorn chips, and people were coming with bags full of them, literally bags. They were on a sale. They were blowing them out, and I would talk to people like, "Hey, what do you got in there?" "I don't know. It was on sale." Or, "I don't know. It only has 100 calories."
Only 100 calories.
So it just drives me a bit bonkers because we think that if you have a good quality food and something that's highly toxic to our body, that it's equal to the effects of our body, of what it does, because it has the same amount of calories. It's ridiculous. It's one of the craziest things you could fathom. So yeah, that's my rant.
That was a good rant.
I actually brought on Dr. Jason Fung onto a radio show interview, and he gave this experiment, or he listed this test. It was a 7-year test.
Wow.
About how they had a low calorie, low fat, low carb diet, and they counted calories for 7 years, and they were expected to lose 30 pounds a year.
Wow.
Nobody lost any weight. Nobody. And I just thought it was crazy because you have this documented research, but that's not what's in society. Like, that's not what's in the papers. It's not what's advertised. It's like all these low quality products that people want to sell, so they're like, oh, it only has this many calories. And most of the time those calories are toxic to our body, and unfortunately we need calories.
Yeah.
Like, we need good quality calories.
Clean calories.
That's right.
Good clean calories from whole foods.
And like nuts, for example. How is that for in calories?
Oh, nuts are really high in calories.
Right. Avocados.
And avocados, again.
Fats, high in calories.
Very high in calories. But you can't put a calorie count on the amount of nutrients you're getting.
That's right.
Right? I mean, you do have to be careful to not have like 2 cups of nuts, of course. But when you are eating good, clean, quality nutrients, you can't count calories, right?
Yeah, but that brings up a good point, because if we have like something like trail mix, for example, usually we get full. You have a half a cup,
right.
and you're like, oh, I'm full. You rarely have like 3 or 4 cups of nuts and seeds, right? But when you sit there and have like a huge fast food meal, you have like 4 different cheeseburgers, you have a giant Coke, you have fries, and then we stuff our face with those unhealthy, unclean types of calories. But when it comes to